everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. Today I want to talk about something that many people struggle with, and maybe you are facing it too. Do you ever feel like you know what to say, but the words just don't come out, like your brain is full, but when it's time to speak, everything goes blanks, and then later you reply that moment again and again in your mind, thinking, I should have said that. If this feels like you, then trust me, you are not alone. Because the problem is not your English, the problem is your thinking speed under pressure. Let be honest, when you speak in your native language, you don't think because speaking right. Words just come automatically. But in English, your brain does something different. First you think in English, then translate into English. First, you think in Hindi, then translate into English, then check grammar, then worry about mistakes, and by the time you are ready to speak, the moment is already gone. That's why you feel slow. That's why you feel stuck. It's not because you are bad at English, it's because your brain is overloaded. Here, simple truth. Fluent people don't think perfect sentences. They think simple ideas quickly. Instead of saying, I would like to express my opinion regarding this matters, I repeat, I would like to express my opinion regarding the matter. Just say, I think this is good. Yeah, I don't like this. Simple, fast, clear. Fluency is not about using big words. It's about speaking without stopping. Stop chasing perfection. Start chasing speed. If you want to think faster, you have to train your brain daily. Here's how. First, think in English daily life. When you wake up, don't think, आज क्या करना है? Think, what should I do today? Small sentences, daily practice. Now second, speak alone, self-practice. Stand in front of mirror and talk. Yes, it may feel weird, but it works. Talk about anything. Your day, your plans, your thoughts. Because fluency starts when you stop being afraid of your own voice. Now 3. Use 3-second rule. When someone asks you something, don't wait for perfect English. Just reply within 3 seconds. Even if it broken English, say something because silence kills confidence. Silence kills confidence. If you really want to improve, you must stop doing this thing, overthinking every sentence, translating from Hindi, being afraid of mistakes, waiting for perfect English. Because perfect English does not exist. Confidence does. Listen carefully. People are not judging your grammar. They are listening to your confidence. People are not judging your grammar. They are listening to your confidence. Even if your English is 50% correct. Even if your English is 50% correct, but your confidence is 100%. You will still sound powerful. You will still sound powerful. But if your English is 100% correct and confidence is 0%, one one will listen. So focus on this. Speak more, think less, improve daily. Uh, at the end, I just want to say this. You don't need perfect English to start speaking. You need courage. Because fluency does not come from thinking. It comes from speaking again and again. So from today, don't wait, don't overthink, just speak. If you found this helpful, then don't forget to like this video, comment your biggest problem in English, and subscribe for more real talk video like this. Because you are not just learning English here, we are building confidence. If you